for you. Hey y'all, what's up? It's Soap with Perk by the Curl. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a review on the Camille Rose. We're going to be doing a review on the Camille Rose New Collection, the black castor oil. Why can't I say this shit? The black castor oil plus Chebe. Y'all know I'm country. I can't pronounce some of this stuff. It'll be on the screen. It's in the title. You got it. So I use the entire collection. So I have the shampoo, the deep conditioner, the cream, and the oil. So starting off with the shampoo. First, let me say I love Camille Rose because they include this nozzle here. That way you can get the product on your scalp as well as getting it all over your hair. It smells really good. You can smell the castor oil, but it has like another smell to it. I like it. It doesn't bother me any, and I'm pregnant, so y'all know smells is not my thing. When I use it on my hair, it's one of those, definitely a cleansing shampoo because it says it's a cleanse and it's a scalp treatment shampoo. It definitely cleaned my hair very well. It left my hair feeling squeaky clean, but like that, it was like a little dry. I'm gonna insert a clip so you can see what I mean. I don't know, my hair just felt weird. It's not like using a moisturizer shampoo. If you ever use a moisturizer shampoo, you know your hair feels nice and fluffy and soft and things like that. My hair had a sort of kind of soft feeling, but a kind of rough feeling. Weird. But anyway, I enjoyed using that product. Definitely cleaned my hair. Now, moving on to the deep conditioner. I got to show y'all. That's what the deep conditioner look like. I like her other deep conditioner from the original line. And then you know my staple is her Moisture OUD deep conditioner. But y'all, this right here, baby, I gotta get some more of this. My hair, after I shampooed and then I put that deep conditioner on my hair, y'all, my hair melted like butter. You couldn't even tell that the moisture was gone from the shampoo once I added on there. It just was easy to get through my curls, any tangles I had. It was easy for me to detangle my hair. It just felt so good. And I left that deep conditioner on my hair overnight. And when I woke up, my hair, I know it already had felt like butter when I applied it in the shower, but baby, the next morning when I rinsed that sucker out, even after I rinsed it out, my hair felt really good. It was moisturized, it was soft, easy to manage, which is what I need. I absolutely loved it. I love that deep conditioner. And she up there with her other with the Moisture OUD by Camille Rose and with my TGIN. This right here, definitely going to my staple collection. So next up is the Buttercream. And that is what it looks like. That's how much I used out of the product. I love this Buttercream. It's nice and thick. It's a small jar. It's an 8-ounce jar compared to the other jars, which I think are 12 ounces from her original line. I'm not complaining because a little goes a long way. I use this to complete this twisted curl with my perm rods. That's all I used. I did not use anything outside of this line on my hair for this style, for the purpose of I wanted to see how the entire line worked together. So no deep conditioner, no leave-in conditioner is in my hair. I love how this feels. And this is a strengthening texture butter. It made my hair so soft. It made my curls pop if you use more than enough. I enjoy especially the back part of my hair. I was able to finger coil it with just the cream and it came out just fine. As you can see, the results are bomb with just that one product as a styling product for my hair and water. That's it. Last but not least is the Repair Strengthening Oil. You're not gonna focus. There we go. I use this to take out my perm rod set and to apply it to my scalp. Feels really good, not super oily. Of course, with oils you want to go light, which I typically do because I find that they start draining all across your forehead. Don't need that, don't like that. Don't want none of that. And it just added to the moisture that was in my hair. So let me say, overall, I love this line. I really don't have any complaints. The only thing I really didn't like was how the shampoo made my hair feel. But that's what happens when you use a shampoo that's a treatment for your scalp and to cleanse your hair. What I did love, my absolute favorite, was the deep conditioner. Y'all, I love a good deep conditioner because it sets the pace for your hair. That's how I feel. Somebody else may have a different opinion. And the cream, yeah, I like that. And I did my perm rod set on, today is Wednesday. I did my perm rod set Saturday night or something like that. And I left that sucker in. I don't walk around with hair wrap scarves on my head, something that could suck the moisture out. Of course I slept in my bonnet, but I walked around with that for days and moisture is still here and she looks good. Kudos to Camille Rose. This line for me was an absolute hit. I loved it. My hair loves it. I'm going to see how well my hair holds up over the next couple of days. If I don't post this video, well, I'm going to see how my hair holds up over the next couple of days. I'll leave an update in the comments to tell you how it goes, how the moisture held up. But overall, I love it. You know, I'm gonna roll with 5 stars on her right now because the same way I felt when I used her original line, the Camille Rose original line, is how I feel about this line. It's amazing. And it seems to be definitely made for the winter, but you know, this is just day 1 hair, so I'm gonna let y'all know. Also, if you want to see details on how I completed this style, I will post a full video of me doing my twist and curl. I wanted to make this review nice and short. Please let me know if you try these products. What's your thoughts? If you have any other product suggestions that I should try, please let me know. Thank you guys for tuning in. I will see you in my next video. Bye.